Hello students, how are you? Today we'll discuss chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So as in class 9th as well as in class 8th, first we studied about pair of linear equation in one variable, whereas in class 9th we have studied about linear equation in two variables. It is of the form an equation having of the form that is ax plus vy plus c is equal to 0. This is a general form for the linear equation in two variable where a, b, c are real numbers. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is constant term. And both a and b are not 0. And also the another condition is that a square plus b square never equals to 0. So this is linear equation two variable. It always forms equation of a line. So we have already discussed this type of equation in our previous class. So also we have discussed in our class 9th about this. Let us have the different example for pair of linear equation in two variable linear equation two variable, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, x minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to 0. Another example is x upon 4 minus y upon 3 is equal to 5. Also another example, that is x is equal to 3. So or you can frame this into two variable form, that is x plus x minus 0 into y is equal to 3. So also we have discussed about in our previous class how to find the solution for the linear equation in two variables, such as I have an equation x plus y is equal to 5. So how we can generate the solution? Let us put x1, then y is equal to 4. If I put x2, y is equal to 3. If x0, y is equal to 5. If y is 0, then x is 5. So on, there are infinite many solutions for linear equation into variable. So also we have discussed in our class 9th how to represent these solution graphically into variable form. So let us plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on x-axis and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the distances from y-axis as well as x-axis, abscissa and ordinate. When I plot x1 and y4, so this is the point where 1, 4 exists. Another point 0, 5 and 5, 0. By joining these points, it forms a linear equation in two variable, and it is always a equation of a line. Now what we will study in class 10th? In class 10th we will discuss about pair of linear equation in two variable. Now we are going to discuss about pair of linear equations. As in 9th we have discussed only linear equation in two variable. We have discussed only one equation. Now here we will discuss about the pair of linear equation in two variable. We will in this chapter we will solve these pair of linear equation algebraically as well as graphically by the different methods, so which we will discuss later on. So an equation having the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the two pair of linear equations in two variables where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 all are real numbers. also such that a1 square plus b1 square never equals to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square never equals to 0. So this is the general forms for the pair of linear equation in two variables. Now there are many examples. Let us make examples, that is x plus y is equal to 10. This is one equation. Another equation, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So this is one example for the pair of linear equation in two variables having variable x and y. 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So these are the examples for the pair of linear equation in two variables. So how we can geometrically represent pair of linear equation? Geometrically meaning कैसे क्या होता है इनका? तो when these two, since linear equation two variable always represents a line, so यहाँ दो लाइनें बनेगी. जब दो लाइनें एक दूसरे को काटती हैं तो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन है. जब एक लाइन के ऊपर ही दूसरी लाइन एग्जिस्ट करती है, दैट इज कोइंसिडेंट लाइन. और जब दोनों लाइनें दे नेवर मीट ईच अदर, जब एक दूसरे से कभी नहीं मिलती हैं, नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, दैट इज नोन एज पैरेलल लाइंस. सो जब हम दो लाइंस को स्टडी करते हैं प्लेन में, तो दीज थ्री कंडीशंस एग्जिस्ट, आइदर लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग और कोइंसिडेंट और लाइंस पैरेलल. सो दिस इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. So today I have a question from the exercise 3.1, that is आफ्ताब वाला क्वेश्चन है आपको कि उसमें बोला हुआ है कि आफ्ताब tells his daughter that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you, and also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old you will be. Represent this situation graphically as well as algebraically. So let the present age of daughter is x year. 7 years ago then daughter is x minus 7 years, and 3 years from now the daughter's age is x plus 3 years. Similarly, let the present age of father is equal to y years, and 7 years ago father's age will be 7 years ago father's age will be, that is y minus 7 years, and 3 years from now father's age will be that is y plus 3 years. Similarly, as we have done in case of daughter. So now we have to frame the equations from the condition that 7 years ago, the condition is that 7 years ago Aftab's age is equal to 7 times of daughter's age, right? So here we consider आफ्ताब एज एज अ वाई variable के फॉर्म में लिया, तो आफ्ताब जी एज 7 years ago y minus 7, that is 7 into x minus 7. So we will solve it later on. इसको हम बाद में सॉल्व करके यहाँ से लीनियर इक्वेशन फ्रेम करेंगे. अभी हम दूसरी कंडीशन पे चलते हैं. 3 years later, after 3 years, आफ्ताब्स एज that is equal to 3 times of daughter's age. So after 3 years the Aftab is y plus 3, that is 3 times of x plus 3. So now we will solve these two equations. So y minus 7 is equal to, or for 7 into x, 7x minus 49. So y is equal to 7x minus 49 plus 7. So this becomes y is equal to 7x minus 42. So this is our one equation, and for the second, y plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 9. So y is equal to 3x plus 9 minus 3. So y comes out to be 3x plus 6. So this is the second equation. Now we have framed these two equations. So algebraically now we have framed these two equations. तो algebraically हमने कर लिया. अब इसके solutions हम तो I will tell you in next chapter कि कैसे हम solve करते हैं algebraically इन दोनों pair of linear equations को, कौन कौन से method होते हैं, तो हम algebraically ऐसे इनको represent कर सकते हैं. अब हम graphically देखते हैं. जब हमने दोनों equations लिख दी तो हम दोनों equations के सॉल्यूशन निकाल लेंगे जो हमने 9th में पढ़े हुए हैं. पहली इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन निकाल लिए, फिर मैंने दूसरी के निकाल लिए. अब मैं इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को ग्राफिकली प्लॉट करूंगा. तो अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस एज ऑफ डॉटर प्लॉट किया, अलोंग वाई एक्सिस एज ऑफ फादर प्लॉट किया. ठीक है. जब हमने इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को प्लॉट किया तो देखो पॉइंट्स ले लिए हमने. 12 का गैप है दोनों एक्सिस की तरफ. तो दोनों इक्वेशंस को जब प्लॉट किया, y इज इक्वल टू 7x माइनस 42 और दूसरी y इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 6, बोथ द इक्वेशंस, बोथ द लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट अ वन पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज 12,42. 12,42 मीन्स जब भी हम पॉइंट को प्लॉट करते हैं तो पहले x कोऑर्डिनेट होता है, फिर y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है. तो x 12 ईयर्स आ गया और y 42 ईयर्स. तो ऐसे हम दोनों की एज कंफर्म कर सकते हैं. डॉटर्स एज हो गई 12 ईयर्स और फादर की एज हो गई 42 ईयर्स. तो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन